Good morning, everyone. Sorry about not putting a video up on Friday. I haven't been too well. I'm slowly getting better, so just bear with me with this video. Today's lesson is multiples. So we're looking at finding multiples of numbers, testing numbers for divisibility, finding lowest common multiples. So we've got what is a multiple, multiples for in a row, testing for divisibility, finding the multiples, finding lowest common multiples, and finding LCM, so lowest common multiples. So that's your turn. So you practice here and then you have a go. Going to the beginning, multiples of 5 are numbers in the 5 times tables. So your answer, okay? So as I go through this, just give me a second. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. Those are your answers. So your answer is your multiple, okay? So the last digit has to be a 0 or a 5 in the 5 times tables. Multiples of 3. You've got 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. So those are the multiples. Find another multiple of 3. So another one that's in the 3 times tables, I'm going to go with 27. Multiple of 3 that's greater than 50. So a multiple that's in 3 times tables was greater than 50. Okay, so when you think about it, it needs to be more than 50. What numbers are in the 3 times tables? So I know 72 is, that's greater. Something greater than 100. 300, okay? So that's how you do it. Multiples 4 in a row. This is a bit like the game 4 in a row. Use a spinner to get a random number. When you get your number, you have to select a tile which is a multiple of that number. The computer will then do the same. If the computer has already taken the tile you wanted, then feel free to take it right back. The winner is the first one to get 4 in a row. So it's 4 multiples, okay? So you click spin. So I've got the number 2. I need a multiple of 2. So which number is in the 2 times tables? Go with 24. Right. So we've got 3, a number in the 3 times tables. I'm going to go with 60. Or who's got a 40 there? Let's see what we can get, because that's a multiple of 10. A multiple of 5. 40 is a multiple of 5, so we've taken it back. So now that was a multiple of 2. So we need a multiple of 10. Let's see what we can do. Let's get a 63. Let's see what we can do now. A multiple of 5. So 58 is a multiple of 2. We need a multiple of 3. Not coming over 4. 81 numbers in the 9 times table as well, so it is divisible by 3. Multiple of 5. Let's see what we should go for. We need a multiple of 3. Let's take that back. We need a multiple of 2, preferably. We need a multiple of 10 there. It's getting complicated now, so that was a multiple of 2. Multiple of 5. Remember, multiple of 5 and then 5 and 0. Multiple of 2, 16. 3 ones, so I've got 4 there and 4 there. So just practicing your multiples. If a number is a multiple of 3, then we also say it's divisible by 3, meaning it can be divided by 3. Try clicking a number to see the tip for quickly finding out its multiples. Multiple of 5, it ends in 5 or 0. Multiple of 4, half the number first. If a half is even, then it's divisible by 4. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 is even, that means 36 can be divided by 4. Find the multiples of 4. You have 2 lives. There are 6 to find. So remember, if you half it and it's even, then you can divide it by 4. So if I do, I'm going to pick 266. If I half that, it's 133. Now that's odd, so that means it's not divisible by 4. I've got 444. If I divide that by 2, it's 222. That is divisible by 4. So I've got 5 left to find. 202, that's divisible by 4 then. Let's go with 184. Half of 84 is 42. Half of 100 is 50. So 50 at 42, that's divisible. 196, so 50, 45, that's 95. No, it's 98. Right, I'm going to leave the other 2, but so that's what you'd have to do is you'd have to use these tricks to help you, okay? Lowest common multiples. What is the smallest number that is a multiple of both 8 and 12? So you're looking at the answers in the 8 times tables or the 12 times tables. So looking at the multiples which are the smallest. So there's the first 5 multiples in the 8 times tables, the first 5 in the 12 times tables. Which is the common multiple? So meaning which is the same one. Common means which one can you see in both. So we've got 24 there and 24 there. So the lowest common multiple is 24. So in 2 and 3, so imagine 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 6. 4s and 5. So you write down the first 5 multiples of each. So in your 4s, you've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's 20. 8s and 10s. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there it's 40. Write down the first 5 multiples, you'll be able to work it out from there. I'm going to leave this with you. All the best. Hopefully should be straightforward. If you're struggling with anything, just go back to the slide which has got the tips of how you spot the multiples. You've got 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 10s. Okay, so you've got them there. So for 3s, for example, it says add up the digits. The total of the digits is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. So 864, add them till it's 18. Can you divide it by 3? Yes. Okay. All the best. Take care, guys, and I'll soon have another video for you for the next lesson. Take care. Bye.